Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm standing in front of Harris's prestigious Crowne 250, talking about making a statement on the water. This boat is stunning. Check out the cool LED lights throughout the boat. A lot of evening boaters out there. This really makes the boat stand out on the sides, even underwater. Step aboard the boat with me, and I'll show you a few more cool things. As we enter this new 2025 Harris Crowne, there's something cool and unique that I really like about it that kind of sets it apart from others. Check this out. Kind of gives you that high-end, really modern sports feel as you do enter this boat. Come on aboard, I'll show you a couple other cool things that I do love about this boat. All right, standing on the bow of this 2025 Crowne Harris 250, there's a lot going on this boat. So I'm going to show you a couple cool things that I really like about it. If you like your music, this boat is equipped with a full sound system by JL Audio. It does have remotes by JL Audio too as well to easily control your stereo. It is a wireless charging stations on the boat too, with lots of cool little modern amenities like the shapes of the sea deck throughout the boat, super soft comfort vinyl. Making your way back here to the boat, big large open gates. And this is one of my favorite features of the boat too, just this little pull-out table for entertaining. This helm, y'all, is super comfortable as expected by this boat. This modern blacked out leather wrapped steering wheel, twin Simrads. This controls everything in the boat, outside of the boat, underneath the boat. Digital throttle. And for those hot days, it even has a cooled, chilled, or a warm cup holder down here to keep your drinks hot or cold. Making your way to the back. We're going under the power tower. The seating area in the back too is pretty cool as well. These are fully power, so no more grabbing anything. Just hit a button, you're adjusting it exactly how you want it to do. Nice leg lumbar right here is power. Cup holders, more charging stations, ski tow bar. Harris's swim ladder, which is one of my favorite fun features. We also put the lily pad ladder on this boat, which makes it real easy to get in and out of it. And that's kind of what to expect of a boat of this caliber. And not to mention the big Merc 500R on the back of this. So this boat not only is super quiet, but it gets down and goes with a ton of power. So for more information on this Crowne, my name's Jason here in Dallas, Texas.